Hi guys, today I've got a very quick video on my journey from Bangkok, making my way up through Phitsanulok and then up to Chiang Mai. I got up relatively early and started making my way up north, but of course I had to make it out of the Bangkok traffic first. Eventually, I got onto the highway and finally started making progress on my trip. I drove through the entire day, trying to get as far as I could before nightfall. As it got dark, I finally reached Phitsanulok. Without a prior booking or really any plan, I had to trust online reviews and went with the highest rated place, the Imperial. This hotel might have been a really nice place in the 1970s. I mean, the room looks decent, but I'm pretty sure the furnishings were older than me. And also the toilet was pretty gloomy, so showering was a quick in and out affair. The next day, I made my way up through Uttaradit. And stopped for lunch at a viewpoint in the mountains. The sun was getting lower though, so I got back on the road once again. Just before nightfall, I finally reached Chiang Mai. This time, I checked into the Méridien. I'm giving it only 3 stars though, because I really didn't feel like I was getting what I was paying for. The staff told me I couldn't stop at the lobby to unload my bags, possibly because there was no bell service to speak of. The water heater for the shower seemed to be on the fritz, and for a hotel in Thailand, it was really odd to be missing a bum gun. Also, the desk chair was broken. This video took a while to put up because I'd been out all week shooting. I've put up a quick teaser trailer of the upcoming videos after this, and if you'd like to see more of what I've been doing and how Chiang Mai is now, stay tuned. Again, I'd greatly appreciate a like for this video and a subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.